What's up everyone, Brad here from the Money Dad channel. In this video I want to go over a stock called GEVO, stock ticker GEVO. It has been on a tear lately. It is at the top of the volume leaderboard charts over at barchart.com. You can see today we closed, top 10, top 15, but in general I have been seeing this stock in the top 10 for a long time now. So I have had it on my radar and I felt like, I needed to make a video on it soon because there's a lot of volume on this stock, which means there's a lot of attention, right? So there's big moves going on this stock. So looking at the stock chart and trading view, you can see we've had some big run-ups followed by some consolidation phases. I talk about this kind of stuff a lot on this channel because this is how we find breakouts. This is how we know when a stock is in a bull trend, a bull run, and how we can expect another big move to the upside. We've seen it play out in the trades that we've made on this channel, and I think there is another one coming up here. Let me show you what I mean. This is a big move to the upside right here, right? And we made it on huge volume. This is important. This is what tells the story. We see it move up, big move up, and then we consolidate, right? There's this trickling effect, trickle down on no volume at all, no volume whatsoever. And then once it finishes consolidating, it starts to trickle back up, right? And then you get this massive move of volume again. And all this volume goes into the stock, all the buyers buy into the stock. There's no buyers left. We have another consolidation phase right here, right? And the volume just dies off. Well, look what's happening right here. What's going on with the volume? The volume is shooting back up. So this suggests we have another shoot up to the upside. This right here, this big old chunk of volume and then this consolidation phase made a bull pennant. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. We have a flagpole, and then we have a pennant flag, right? That is a bull pennant. That is a stock chart pattern that continues a bull trend. It's a bull pennant. It continues a bull trend, right? It's a continuation pattern that suggests, hey, we've been in a bull trend, right? Bull trend. Going from bottom left, top right, price action is increasing. And a bull pennant is a continuation pattern suggesting that this trend is going to increase. It's going to keep going. It's going to continue that bull trend, okay? So a bull pennant continues, wow, what was I doing there? So a bull pennant suggests continued activity of whatever was happening before, which was a bull trend, okay? So we have that bull pennant. We have a new breakout of that bull pennant, and we can measure what we think that breakout is going to reach, what price it's going to reach by measuring out this bull pennant precisely. So let's measure out that bull pennant precisely. All right, let's start at the bottom of the rally, which let's say is right here. I'll call that the bottom. We'll call that the top. Okay, so that is our flagpole right there. We're gonna say, let's squeeze this together a little bit just to make it look more like a flagpole. Let's call this the overhead resistance of the pennant. Let's call this the underneath support of the pennant, right? So we have our bull pennant flag now, right? So here's what we do now. We have our bull pennant. We want to know what the price target is. What projection are we getting from this bull pennant? Well, we take the flagpole and we start it wherever that bull run started, right? So if we think this bull run starts right here, then we're going to take this flagpole, and it's moving in different dimensions because I have it on the logarithmic scale, by the way, right? I have it on logarithmic. It's not on regular. so it's going to adjust to percentages, not exact amounts. So I have it set to the start of this bull run, right? And if we think that's where the bull run starts, then this is our projection right here. And we get a price target of $8.82. Okay? That is significant because this stock is currently trading at $6.99 at the time of this recording. Okay? So we have almost $2 of upside on a $7 stock. That is a lot of money, my friends. A lot of money. $2 on a $7 stock? Are you kidding me? That's like 30% upside. I'm just spitballing here. I don't have a calculator up or anything, but 2 on 7 is a lot of money. Pretty good upside here on GEVO. From a technical standpoint, it looks fantastic. So massive upside potential on GEVO. Massive upside potential according to this bull pennant formation, okay? If we hop over to barchart.com, they agree with us. The bar chart technical opinion rating is a 100% buy and ranks in the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. The market is in a highly overbought territory. Beware of a trend reversal. Okay, so this last section right here, all it's saying is, hey, look, we have had a serious run-up lately. We might need to consolidate a little bit, right, over the short term. We have had a massive uptrend. We might need to consolidate a little bit before we continue that uptrend. That's what these words right here are saying. It's in a highly overbought territory. Beware of a trend reversal. Trend reversal does suggest, they're saying beware of a trend reversal, suggesting there could be some downside. But in my opinion, I think we just need to consolidate a little bit. And down here, the RSI doesn't even look super overbought. It's actually right in the middle. It's not overbought. It's not oversold at all. It's right in the middle. So I think this chart looks good. I think GEVO has a lot of upside in it. Like I said, I think we see that $9 range or just under it. And this is a $7 stock, so we have $2 of upside on GEVO. So we've got a lot of room to run, guys. This looks really good, and I think we have a lot of profits. I think there are a lot of profits to be had here. So if you are in GEVO, you probably like what you're hearing right now. So drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber yet. I do lots of stock chart pattern analysis. I try to make videos of every pattern that I see that suggests a lot of upside on a stock, and sometimes I make videos on patterns where I see some downside risk and I let you guys know, hey, stay away from this stock. But that's what I do here. I make videos of patterns that I see on stocks, and we've done pretty well with these. And right now I see some significant upside on GEVO, okay? I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber yet, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys there and in the next video. Thanks, guys.